just hear from our questions, and our parents are asking, what colors would not be wise to put on a tree if my child is very highly sensitive to certain colors around the festive activities? Now, and to not get overwhelmed, now you want to have a look at what I call the active colors. So the active colors are your reds and your oranges specifically. How can you tone that down a bit so you can have a bit more green or maybe a bit more oranges rather? But the lighter oranges, so the red and the orange can be your active colors, and the greens and the yellow, so the golds would be okay. But just remember, it's more of a learning environment. So your active colors stimulate the brain. So you want to just have a check-in on, even check in with them, put it up and show them and let them see it, and then go, oh, maybe that's not really for me. But red is quite an active color and can be quite overstimulating.